If you want to move photos from Google Drive to Google Photos, the easiest way is to download them from Drive first, then upload them into Google Photos. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can do it quickly, even if you're not very technical. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this one. Let's start with Google Drive. Open Google Drive in your browser and find the photos you want to move. If you only need one photo, you can click it once. If you want to move several photos at the same time, hold Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac and click each photo one by one. This lets you select multiple files without having to do them individually. Once your photos are selected, right-click on any of them to open the menu. From that menu, choose Download. Google Drive will begin preparing your files, and depending on how many photos you selected, it may package them into a zip file or download them one by one. After that, the files will save to your computer. This is an important step because Google Drive and Google Photos are separate services, so downloading first gives you a local copy that you can upload anywhere you want. Now that your photos are downloaded, open Google Photos in a new tab. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account if you want everything kept in one place. Once Google Photos loads, look for the Upload button, usually in the top right corner of the page. Click that button and then choose the photos you downloaded from your computer. If your photos downloaded as a zip file, you may need to unzip them first before uploading. If they downloaded as individual files, you can select them directly from the folder where they were saved. After selecting the photos, click Open or Upload depending on your device, and Google Photos will start transferring them into your photo library. Let the upload finish completely before closing the browser or switching tabs. If you have a lot of images, it may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and the file size. Once the upload is done, your photos will now be available in Google Photos, where you can view them, organize them into albums, and access them from any device. And that's it. You've successfully moved photos from Google Drive to Google Photos. Just remember, the process is really a download from Drive and then an upload into Photos, since there isn't always a direct one-click transfer for every situation. So if you ever need to move images between them again, just follow these same simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.